So guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you do grids in Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to go select the shape to add a gradient, and what you're gonna do is about to go to select this shape as you can see, and starting with that you can actually start to go through the situation that we can start to go fill change solid 8 to linear or radial gradient. So you can click on it, and whatever the gradient is about to add as just a color that stops. And this is really how this can be really feeling like this. So you can start to add gradient. You can start to go here and do this. So it doesn't matter however the side is. You're gonna start to search for the part in the right and start to choose here the gradient as you can see. And this will be really like this to start to control it, which is really this gradient will be looks like. You can start to make this part, and that is all about how you make this gradient.